My Bonnie Mary by Robert Burns. He wrote this to a tune by James Oswald called The Secret Kiss. Go fetch to me a pint of wine and fill it in a silver tassie, that I may drink before I go a service to my bonny lassie. The boat rocks at the Pier of Lieth, full out the wind blows frae the Ferry. The ship rides by the Berwick-law, and I'm on lea'e, my bonny Mary. The trumpets sound, the banners fly, the glittering spears are anchored ready, the shouts of war are heard afar, the battle closes thick and bloody. But it's not the roar of sea or shore what make me linger wish to tarry, nor shouts of war that's heard afar. It's leaving thee, my bonny Mary. James Oswald published The Secret Kiss earlier in a suite of songs in 1742, came out, called Collin's Kisses, and there were all these different kinds of kisses, one of which was the stolen kiss. And that's where he put this tune in that book, and The Secret Kiss was another melody, so maybe it got confused or something. In any case, there are no bass lines in the Caledonian Pocket Companion, which is where Burns got the tune. It's a slightly different setting of the tune, but not very different. That long run is in it. And Collin's Kisses tells us that that long run was indeed set up for the voice and intended to be sung. So I've taken the time to learn it. But the great thing about getting the set from Collin's Kisses is that it has Oswald's wonderful bass part, which I put on the guitar. Okay. The text I've sung is a little different from the commonly published text. In particular, the word, the battle closes thick and bloody, and the commonly published one has deep and bloody. So the one I've sung is from a letter to Frances Anna Wallace Dunlop, his sort of a literary surrogate mother. He liked to send her songs he was working on. And so she got the early draft, and Burns's early drafts are generally the best. He was in the zone, and he would tend to overthink them when he wrote them out for his publishers. It's a mistake I've made myself, and I'm sure it's a common one. But what else? I mun leave my bonny Mary. I must leave my bonny Mary. Commonly published one has leave, but he put lea'e apostrophe e. I think it's a lovely touch there. I love the way it kind of goes with the frae the Ferry, lea'e my bonny Mary. He's just painting. He's painting with sounds, Burns. and it's but it's not the roar instead of it's not the roar. So those are the differences. Tricky to phrase that one. This was published in the Scots Musical Museum, but their musical editor messed with the tune a bit, and nobody sings it. The melody's been replaced, and also the title. So people call it Silver Tassie, and there's a simpler tune people do it to. No one has done it directly from Oswald before, so this will be in my book, and I hope that serious singers will do the authentic tune from the source that Burns wrote to. James Oswald's tunes, Neil Gow's tunes, William McGibbon's tunes, James Ayre's settings of traditional tunes were not improved by the hack musical editor of the Scots Musical Museum, who's gotten away with filtering a lot of the Scots musical tradition and folk dance tune traditions through his fairly conventional and sentimental taste. There, I said it. Please subscribe to my channel. Be well.